So what we have here is the spot welds, the plug welds, basically finished. Very difficult to accomplish this task. Easy to blow through. The old steel is very thin. So all these uneven edges are going to be trimmed to fit, so we have one nice continuous arc all the way around. You can see there's a bit of a problem here, and that I'll have to grind this in this way. And I've done the inside flange or mount on the frame extension. The plug welds are finished there. As of right now, though, I have to lift this up and bring this edge up closer to this outer flange here. And then there's hammer and dolly work that's going to have to be completed to try and even this edge out a bit. Trying to stay away from using too much body filler and that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get a jack and a block, and I'm going to try lifting this, jacking this up, bending this tab up here, and then hopefully tack welding it onto the inside of the wheel well edge here. I don't know if this is coming through or not. But I think what we're going to do is we're going to cancel the video now. This is a test video, and I'm not sure that the audio is going to come through, and I don't want to make a long test video and have to wait hours for it to load up, and only to find out that the sound quality is just awful. So we're going to sign off for now. Okay, so this is summing up the project for today. I finished the Crowfoot installation, and I'm just going to show the spot welds and the finishing touches. So here we go. It looks pretty rough because there are some dips and valleys and that, and the metal was extremely thin. The metal on the fender itself, and that was problematic because I had lots of blow-throughs, so I had to back up a lot of the metal where I had a blow-through. You can see there's a bit of a blow-through right here, and so I've got some backing plates here, some copper backing plates, and I'm going to clamp that on there and just touch that with the welder, see if I can fill in those voids. And I've got some hammer and dolly work to do to try and bring this dish downward slightly. And that's not very good. The water and that will tend to collect up in here, and then we'll have a rust issue in that. But yeah, it's the best I could do given the metal condition. And as I said, I'm actually still learning how to MIG weld, and it's a tedious process because dealing with this metal, this old thin metal here, it's supposed to be 18 gauge, but in most cases I think it's been ground down before, and I'm probably dealing with close to 20 or even less, 20 gauge, and blowing through is extremely easy to do. And that, so this section was hanging down. This section here was hanging down quite significantly, and I jacked it up into position, and I tack welded this up here to the fender itself, and then ground it down a bit, and then trimmed off a piece here. So there's been some trimming to do, and that. But as I said, there'll be some more hammer and dolly work here just to hopefully try and tidy this up a bit, because I'm not really happy with how this turned out, but it's the best, like I said, it's the best I could do given the circumstances and my skill level, which is beginner. So anyway, we're going to sign off for now. I hope this video turns out. This is, as I said, is a test video. So signing off for now.